Good morning! Are you ready for our beach trip?
Yes, Dad.
Did you pack your swimsuit?
Yes, I did.
Great! Let's have a fun day.
Don't forget your sunglasses.
I'll put the bags in the car.
I packed sandwiches and cold drinks.
I have my beach ball.
Excellent! Is everyone ready?
Let's go!
Dad, how far is the beach?
About 1 hour.
Look outside. The sky is so blue.
It's a beautiful day.
Perfect weather for the beach.
I'm so excited.
Wow!
Listen to the waves.
The air feels fresh.
I love this place.
Let's find a nice spot.
Follow me. I'll open the umbrella.
I'll spread the picnic blanket.
Can I help?
Of course!
Thank you, sweetheart. Everything looks great.
Let's build a sandcastle.
That's a great idea.
I'll help you.
We need more sand.
Here comes another bucket.
Our castle looks amazing.
The water is cool.
Don't go too far.
Stay close to us.
Don't worry, I'm careful.
Good job!
Let's splash some water.
Look, I found a shell.
It's beautiful.
Can you find another one?
I'll try.
Here's a small white shell.
Let's keep them.
Lunch is ready.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Here's your sandwich.
Thank you.
It's delicious.
Who wants ice cream?
I'll have one too.
Which flavor do you like?
Chocolate, please.
Mine is strawberry.
The sunset is beautiful.
The sky is orange and pink.
Let's take a family photo.
Smile.
This is a wonderful memory.
I love this day.
It's time to go home.
I had so much fun.
Me too.
We'll come back again.
Thank you for today.
Goodbye, beach.